I've got a tale to tell you about a TPMS sensor and a customer. This customer has a 10-year-old vehicle. They recently had their TPMS light come on. No matter how much air they put in the tires, the TPMS light would not go out on the vehicle. So they took it to a shop. The shop, well, they just replaced one sensor on the vehicle with a brand new sensor. Well, about 2 weeks later, the next TPMS sensor failed. Well, she took it to another shop because she figured the first shop didn't know what they were doing, and now her problem is back. Well, that shop did the exact same thing. They replaced one sensor. About 3 weeks later, the TPMS light was on again. This time, it was the front right wheel. This one had not been touched by any of the previous shops, but the TPMS light was on. The customer, in all of her knowledge, she realized that this is a critical safety system that she needed for her vehicle to know if a tire blew out, because it happened to her before. So I take a look at the vehicle and I realize quickly, well, the two sensors in the back are two different brands. The two sensors in the front, they're the original sensors. Now here's the question for you. That first shop, what if they recommended that customer to replace all 4 sensors at the same time? In other words, they knew that all 4 sensors, well, they were going to go bad because these have batteries inside that typically fail at the same rate. This philosophy applies to a lot more than just TPMS sensors. It applies to a lot of other repairs on the vehicle. For instance, let's say brake rotors. You might be able to machine that rotor, but you might be better off installing a brand new rotor for the vehicle. Also, on other vehicle parts, let's say it's underneath the hood, a filter, or some other repair, complete the entire repair. Let's say it's a coolant hose. Make sure that all the coolant hoses on the vehicle can withstand the pressure. This way, you're doing a complete job and you're doing the customer a favor by not having them come back a second or third time. I'm Andrew Markell. Thank you very much.